Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my mama's kitchen. In this video she shows you how to do this delicious grilled sea bream with roasted vegetables, so stay tuned. The ingredients quantity in this video serves around 6 to 7 people. For this dish we need 6 red peppers or any color pepper you prefer, 1 kilogram potatoes, 3 sweet potatoes or 2 big sweet potatoes, a kilogram of carrots, 1 zucchini, 2 eggplants and 3 sea breams. For seasoning we need rosemary, 4 garlic cloves, salt, pepper, sunflower oil, olive oil and vinegar. The first thing we want to do is clean our fish and prepare it as demonstrated. My mama already cut the fish in half, but in general you would first prepare it on the outside, then you would cut it in half afterwards. Now we wash the fish and put it aside. To season the fish, we grate 1 garlic clove, we add in 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt and 7 short twigs of rosemary. At last we add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Combine everything thoroughly and cover the fish with it as demonstrated. Now we want to put our fish aside to let it absorb all the seasoning while we prepare our vegetables. All we want to do with our vegetables is actually cut them into a bowl in any shape we prefer before seasoning them. Then we add to our vegetables 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 3 grated garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Afterwards, we combine everything. Now we arrange our vegetables on our oven tray. Since we did not have enough space in the bowl for the pepper, we're preparing it now the exact same way. We add half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of olive oil, and mix everything together. We're leaving out the garlic since we put it in the bowl where the other vegetable was in, so there's still some garlic residue in there and we don't want to overpower with the garlic taste. We finish our vegetables by drizzling a little bit of olive oil over the top and covering it up with aluminum foil before we put it in the oven. We put our tray in a preheated oven on maximum heat for approximately 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we remove the aluminum foil to let the vegetables roast so they become brown and crispy on top. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your oven and also on how crispy and brown you like your vegetables. At this point, we add sunflower oil to our electric grill pan and turn it on maximum heat. When the space above the grill feels warm, we start putting our fish onto the grill. We leave the fish on the grill for 5 minutes on each side. After 10 minutes, when our fish looks crispy and brown, it's ready to be served. Now our vegetables are also nicely a bit crispy and brown. We usually serve the vegetables in the oven tray itself. So, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my mama's grilled sea bream with roasted vegetables, and see you next time in my mama's kitchen. Enjoy your meal.